Hi there users and welcome to your first language use video. Today's topic, mastering communication. How do we use the language we learn? How do we use the English we're practicing or that we want to master or get? Language is a set of parts of areas. Yes, it has structures, vocabulary, and all of these need to be integrated. And we can master that integration by spotting language functions. But how do we do that? Let us explain. Let's split language into this: structures and functions. Taking structures as the fixed tenses and grammar aspects and functions as the purpose of communication or the target we're aiming. Combining these two, it allows us to master the communication we want to have. But you need to have some things in mind if you want to master the communication. Number one, group functions to structures. Take for instance the following examples. I live in New York. She works in a tall building. They are doctors. He loves dancing. What do all these sentences have in common? Yes, all sentences are in simple present. But there is a slight difference. Each sentence aims at a very specific communication purpose. Sentence A talks about housing. Sentence B and C talk about jobs. Sentence D talks about hobbies, which means that one language structure can have many functions of different communication purposes. Number two, you need to assign the proper vocabulary. For assigning the proper vocabulary, the first thing you need to do is identify the functions. If you have identified the functions, assigning the vocabulary or giving the right words to use in that structure is an easy task. For example, if you want to talk about hobbies, then the vocabulary would be leisure activities. Or if you want to talk about jobs, then your vocabulary would be occupations and professions. If you want to talk about people, one of the things that you can work with in vocabulary would be physical appearance. It could be personality, adjective, characteristics to describe. That's how you assign properly the vocabulary. It's the easiest of the three. Number three, use the language you are learning. Once you have identified the function for the structures and assigned the right vocabulary and you have integrated all of them, then you need to start talking. You need to use and practice the language you're learning and never stop practicing. As I told you before on previous videos, as one of my mentors used to tell me, practice makes perfect. Thanks for listening and watching our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our page on Facebook. Share our page also with other people, and thanks for being part of this language community. See you later.